This video will provide an overview of how to perform an advanced search in library search. This video will cover the following topics: using the library search advanced search option, phrase searching, and other helpful advanced search features. So let's get started. You can access library search from the library's website, library.appstate.edu. On the library's homepage, one of the first things you'll see is the Search Anything box. You can get started right away finding articles, books, ebooks, and more by entering in a few relevant keywords. If you'd like to try an advanced search, select the Advanced Search link to the right of the search box. The Advanced Search page lets you specify additional criteria unavailable with the simple search. It also enables you to select filters before executing the query. Let's focus in on the search criteria available in the center of the screen. The Search For option lets you select a scope. The Advanced Search page defaults to Everything. This scope, Everything, will search App State physical items, electronic items, requestable physical items from other UNC schools, and articles available in full text. The other scopes include App State only, pre-K-12 materials, special collection and archives, course reserves, and an Everything expanded feature that lets you search libraries worldwide. Moving down, let's look at Field. For each search line, the Field selector enables you to narrow the search to all search fields or a particular field, such as title, author, creator, subject, and more. This box is your search type parameter. It indicates how your search terms are compared to your search field. It's okay to leave this to Contains if you like. The search box is where you'll enter in your search query. This could be words, phrases, or keywords. You can also include Boolean operators in your search box. The Boolean operators recognized are and, or, and not. You'll see that you can also connect more than one search line with and, or not. If you're performing a more complex search, you can always add a new line as well. On the right-hand side, you'll see various filters. Filters enable you to narrow your results to specific categories, such as resource type, language, and publication date range. You can include and exclude facets to filter your results further in the search results as well. Let's explore these features with a search. Let's say I'm looking for peer-reviewed articles about algorithmic bias. I'm going to keep the search scope of Everything. Next, I'm going to enter my phrase, algorithmic bias, into the search box. Algorithmic bias is a phrase. A phrase is a string of two or more words. Using quotation marks around phrases like this will narrow the search. I don't have to, but I'm going to try changing this filter to subject to refine my search. Next, I'm going to consider another keyword to enter. Let's try artificial intelligence. This is a phrase, so I'm going to add quotation marks. Next, let's add a new line. Right now, I'm not interested in ChatGPT, so I'm going to connect this phrase with not and enter in ChatGPT. I'm interested in peer-reviewed articles, so I'm going to change my resource type to articles. I'm going to leave my language alone, but change my publication date to the last 5 years, so 2020 to 2025. Currently, I'm searching the subject algorithmic bias and artificial intelligence, but not ChatGPT articles published in the last 5 years. Let's click search. Once I've performed the search, I can refine my search even more on the left-hand side. By default, your search terms are searched within the full text of an article. For example, I can select peer review, apply filters, and remember all filters if I like. If I need to edit the search, I can select the arrow to expand the results. There's also a personalize and save search option. You can always save a search. If you want the search results or your personalization to be remembered, you'll need to be signed in to your account using your App State credentials. The personalized option allows me to select up to 5 disciplines to narrow my search. I'm going to select engineering and social sciences. I can remove these on the left-hand side at any time if I like. For each item, in this instance, articles, you'll see the item type, article, the title, and how to access. This is a peer-reviewed article that is open access. You can access the article by downloading the PDF, reading the article via link, or viewing issue contents. Depending on your article type, you'll also have different features up above. These red arrows allow you to find sources that are citing the one that you're looking at. This is a great way to find similar sources. The arrow pointing down allows you to find sources that are cited in this article. The quotation marks take you to the citation for the article. The link allows you to find a permalink, and the add this item allows you to save the item. Remember that if you want to save items over time, you'll need to be logged in with your AppState username and password. Clicking on the 3 dots takes you to even more options, including exporting, emailing, and printing. Remember, research and searching is not a straight line. If search results are not what you expected, you can always change your keywords, filters, and more and try again. And if you have questions or need help with research strategies, ask a librarian. We're available via chat, email, phone, online, and in person, and we're always happy to help.